Right, okay. I think I've got a faulty one here. I've just set it to go 400 centigrade for 8 minutes, the bottom plate. As you can see, I've set this cable here, this temperature gauge, to the bottom underside. I don't know if you can see perfectly under there, but to the underside of the motherboard. It's reading 108 degrees. If I just show you something quickly, if I just push that down onto the actual plate, you see that is now in the center of the plate. It is only reading 240 centigrade, and that is at 392. I mean, that is fucking ridiculous by anybody's standards. It's at 400 centigrade now, and that is at 240 in the center there. See it? 240. 240. I can't believe it. 400 degrees, 240 coming out the bottom. These are saying 94 and dropping, 95. I mean, come on, man. This is starting to take the fucking piss. Underneath the board, directly above, is only 133 because there's so much space between it. This is just stupid. I'm never going to get there. I've got an 8-minute cycle on this, the bottom board to heat. Then after that I have a cycle at 200 centigrade for 40 seconds, then 210 for a further 40 seconds, then 220 for a further 40 seconds, then 230 for a further 40 seconds. You will see this entire thing now, and you will see that this fucking thing does not reach the correct standard. On top of that, it says 111 at the back there, and 94 at the front. Now that I can deal with when the top plate isn't engaged, but when you'll see when the top plate comes on shortly, that at the back is about 20 to 30 degrees out. Well, there's a difference of 20 to 30 degrees. Pretty sure this thing shouldn't be doing 400 degrees. Still dropping. I'm doing this for 8 hours now. 94 degrees. And sticking. Stupid. 400 centigrade from underneath. Meant to be anyway. It's sitting underneath the board is only reading 106. It's been going now for what, about 3 to 4 minutes? The back one is on 113. Who the fuck is that? 356281. That's fucking Bruno, isn't it? Whoops, I'm recording at the moment. Babe, yeah. Have a sandwich. Okay, now the top heat is engaged. .30 degrees from back to front. That's the back, that's the front. Still only reading 116 underneath the motherboard, after it's meant to be at 400 degrees on the preheat below. Come on, man. Preheat, even the lower heater. 118 degrees now at the back, Oh look, 97. Oh look, dropping. This is the worst machine I've ever come across. $150 we're at now. And you'll see. Oh. Yeah, 129 at the back. Let's look at the front. 106. Here you can see which parts are glowing and which parts aren't. There is a part in the center that does not glow. Now this side, I'll show you without burning myself, here is equivalent to 130 degrees. Now the back side is 155. That is 20 degrees difference from front to back. That is ridiculous. You can see which part's missing. Also the bottom, you remember that? I'm sure you do. The glass is only on 270, gonna make 80? 280 degrees. The motherboard underneath, because of this, it's on 150. That is all meant to be heating at 400 centigrade. I'm now on 163 at the back, 127 at the front, 130 and rising, 134 and dropping again. $167 at the back, 120 at the front. Are you having a fucking laugh? $174. Thank you, bud. 400 centigrade, 220 it's meant to be at the moment. I'm not even going to reach fucking 200 degrees. I'm on stage 4. For the parts that are missing, there is a centerpiece there that is not heating. Nowhere near heat to take this off. 160. I mean, we're 100 degrees away. If it was lead solder, okay, but it's not. It's lead-free solder on a PS3. Look at this. Rock solid, my man. $195. I can't believe this. We've been doing how long? That's the beep already. We've only just hit 200 centigrade. This machine is a piece of shit. I'll have my money back.